crack down on pill mills and stop prescription drug abuse in Florida means a lot more regulation. By law, pharmacists now have to enter certain patients' information into a database that will monitor the prescription of highly addictive prescription drugs. News Channel 5's Giovanna Derpick is joining us live tonight to explain. Giovanna?
If you take medications like antidepressants or blood pressure medications, which are not considered highly addictive, then you're okay. This doesn't apply to you. But if you take medications which are considered highly addictive, like Vicodin, oxycodone, Xanax, or Ambien, among others, then this does apply to you. But the pharmacist here at the Winship's Prescription Center tells me that the process is seamless. It's exactly the same. The only difference is that now your information is going to be stored in a database. Diane Finch knows someone who once struggled with an addiction to prescription drugs and was a so-called doctor shopper.
She was having scams and was going to grandma's house and going up to Orlando or whatever it is to grandma's house and getting a doctor there, and had one here.
To crack down on those people abusing prescription drugs and doctors overprescribing them, pharmacists in Florida now have to report pharmaceutical orders of highly addictive drugs like Vicodin or oxycodone into a state database.
It needs to be watched more carefully.
If you don't have anything to hide, there's no reason to be fearful of a database.
I wouldn't want my privacy to be infringed or anything, but if it's something to help, I don't see a problem with that.
Besides privacy concerns, some people are worried it could work against legitimate patients with serious health issues needing the medication.
Because of a few bad apples, it makes some of your patients difficult to fill their prescription.
That's because pharmacists like Barry Perizzo, who supports the law, are continuously questioning the authenticity of the patient's need for the medication. Finch's friend is okay now.
Maybe we could have helped her sooner.
She wonders if the database could have sped up her friend's recovery. And as for privacy concerns, a spokeswoman for the Florida Department of Health says, quote, "The data will be stored and maintained in a highly secure system," end quote. But I'll tell you what, a guy just came up to me not too long ago and he said he does not trust the state to protect his medical records and privacy. From North Palm Beach, Giovanna Derpick, WPTV News Channel 5.